Hello, welcome to another video, and Merry Christmas, because this should be posted on Christmas. So this is just some stuff that Robin, who called herself my scary Texas friend, sent me for Christmas, so thank you very much. So I wasn't going to show this, but then I was like, wait, I opened the site, I was like, this looks diamond painted related, so let's see what she got me. So thank you very much, Robin. So it looks like here is a diamond painting. Wait, where's the... Usually I'm better at the unboxings. Yeah, so this should be on Christmas, so Merry Christmas. Happy holidays. I hope you guys all have a good Christmas if you celebrate it, or a happy Saturday if you don't. So yeah, here's the first one. Oh, this is totally something I would do. One, it's a tree, and it's fall colors. So I think you guys watch me and know what kind of things I like to diamond paint. So yeah, this would totally be something I diamond paint. And I love the, what do you call these? Those teal colors, the blue-green colors. So there's the toolkit. And I have no idea where this is from, so nothing is going to get linked, but these look like round drills. So yeah, this looks really, really awesome. Thank you. And hey, this has, I was going to say it has my favorite legend, but no, there's some numbers, but there's some symbols. But yeah, I think this will look great. So thank you, Robin. So, and, oh wait, you know, I don't actually have all the crazy accessories that diamond painters have, because I don't know, apparently I don't. So it does look like, ooh, these are some nice flowery washi tape. Ooh, these are leaves. And this look like flowers, because, you know, what's a diamond painting video done by me without flowers? So yeah. I actually don't have any pretty washi tape. All my washi tape is just solid colors, because I'm that, when I went and bought washi tape, I was like, I just want the solid colors. But yeah, no, now I could washi tape the sides of my canvases now, but these are really pretty. So thank you. And good vibes. Ooh, maybe I could be one of those people who starts putting like stickers onto my tablecloth. Probably not. Oh, look, sunflowers, really beautiful. I do like my sunflowers. And is this like the okay hand? Ooh, look, it's a bee. Oh, these are cover minders. I actually don't really use cover minders because I tend to use the opaque covers. But ooh, this is a really cute bee. It's very blingy. And wait. And here's a girl with a sunflower, because, you know, I do like sunflowers. So yeah, this is really, really beautiful. Thank you, Robin. So let's put all this back. This is actually my first Happy Mail that I've gotten. So thank you. Let's put this back. Oh, what's this next thing? Freestyle these. Okay. Ooh, I see. They're magnets, and, you know, I do have glue. Oh, wait. She sent me some glue, too. So here's some, this is, like, Sakura Quickie Glue. It's, like, a glue that there was a viewer who told me to use this for pinpoint, like, glue application, and I have used this several times. So, but I do have some other glue, but yeah, I could totally freestyle this. It's one of those things that I've been meaning to do, but then I don't end up doing it. But it's butterflies, which is totally on par with my channel too. So thank you. Butterfly magnets. Oh, there's a card. Oh, what are these? Sticky notes. They're owl sticky notes. I do like the animals. So sticky notes. Oh, they're really cute. Look at the owls. I'm gonna have fun with these. Thank you. I must have unboxed a couple owl diamond paintings, which I'm pretty sure I have. And ooh, these are adhesive letters. Ooh, they're blingy adhesive. They look like diamond painted drills in this. So yeah. Is there enough for my name? Joan. But yeah, no, these actually look like like diamond painted letters, but this is a good idea. Like if you were ever trying to, ooh, there's 2 eyes. Ooh, there's a lot of eyes. Is that more than 1 eye? If you ever were trying to figure out what to do with your leftover drills, you could do something like this. So yeah. Ooh, is this, let's see. It's a puzzle. Wait. Oh, I see. Robin did tell me that she does like puzzles with marbles. What does she call it? I don't know, like a marble puzzle, but I don't think this is it. But yeah, I could totally have this done. This looks like fun. I know where I could put this too. I wonder if it'll fit in one of my storage containers. Oh, and ooh, there's a card here. Okay, so I think this sticky note is for this, and this looks like the empty freestyling. Like you could freestyle this, and if I was any good at freestyling, maybe. I do have tons and tons of drills left over. This could be what I could do with my no DMC drills. I could find like a really simple picture. I was thinking like what you could do is like get like a really simple like coloring book picture and put it on your light pad and then put this there and then shine it, and then you'll be able to see the outline of your like coloring book thing, and then you could just kind of freestyle with that. That's what was my original plan at some point, you know. And so yeah, now I have things to do it with. So thank you. I'm gonna see. Maybe that could be my first whip and chat where I try to freestyle a really simple image. Maybe I'll probably just get like a butterfly or a flower, a really simple like flower image, and then just kind of freestyle this. I think it could work. And it's really small enough that maybe my whip and chat won't be so long. That's one of my goals, maybe, for 2021, is maybe to actually do a whip and chat. Yes, because I've been asked if I would do a whip and chat, and I'm like, aren't my 2-hour-long videos long enough? So it does seem like there's a card here. Aw, look at that. Did you like diamond paint this? Because I think that's a really great idea, just to get a ready-made card and then just add your own diamond painting drills to it. So happy holidays, Joan, and best wishes for you and your channel in 2022. Robin. Thank you very much, Robin. And then she wrote another note. I'll read this off camera, but so thank you very much, Robin, for being my first Happy Mail. And thank you for the Christmas gifts, and I hope all of you guys have a wonderful Christmas, wonderful holidays, and thank you for watching, and happy diamond painting. Bye!